Hey guys, this is Joe with Vassar's Woodworking here. I just thought I'd put together a little video for some epoxy I'm going to be pouring tomorrow night. Just kind of showing how I set things up and get them ready. I found that using painter's plastic inside the forms and setting the slabs in there prevents the most epoxy spillage. Since I've been doing this, I don't have anything seeping out that I'm trying to fix or prevent as things are going along. This first piece I'm showing you, after I pour the center, I will take it apart and cut it down to the actual dimensions for the two tables I'm going to be making. One is going to be a 16 by 16 end table, and the other one is going to be a 14 by 24 end table. The second one I got here is going to be a 16 by 28 TV stand. Both going to be blue epoxy in the middle. Right here, this one, it's got some, where it was kind of cut out. I plan on pouring that the same blue, so it almost looks like another river flowing into this one. But stick around, come back tomorrow for part 2 of this, and I'll actually show mixing and pouring the epoxy.